Hi kids! Yes, it's me again, Teacher John Ryan Zapatalo, your Science 1 teacher. Alright, today's lesson, explore the animals in the rotted logs or under rocks. Alright, before we start, okay, we need to read the vocabulary. Number 1, worms. Worms. Number 2, ant. Ant. Number 3, scorpions. Scorpions. Number 4, spider. Spider. Number 5, lizard. Lizard. Number 6, snake. Snake. Number 7, centipede. Centipede. Alright. So, let's learn about the animals live in the rotted logs. Okay, so you can see on the picture, that's the example of rotted logs. And this one too. Did you understand? Alright. Or under the rocks. Okay. Rotten legs and under rocks are the common hiding place or spots of the animals, insects, and the very tiny animals include earthworms, fungi, and bacteria. Okay. Here are the example of those animals. Are you ready? Number 1, worms. Okay, worms love to live in the rotted log, especially in the wet logs, just like this one. Worms, insects, growth on decaying logs because they can find their food on it to survive. Did you follow? Alright. Now, the ants or carpenter ants. Yes. The carpenter ants build their nest outdoors in various wood sources, including tree stumps, firewood, or landscaping. They need a constant water source to survive. And then the next example, the scorpion. Yes, scorpion love to live in the rotted log too. Scorpions love to hide in and under damp foliage logs. This is especially through if there are piles or decaying leaves or rotting wood in your yard. Do you agree with that? Yes. Now, the spiders. Do you know what is spiders? All right. Yes. Okay. Fallen logs instantly provide complex structures where a diverse range for spiders and other beneficial insects. Did you follow? Okay. So, the lizard. Here are the example of the lizard. Yes, and they love to hide in the rotted logs too. Yes. Why the lizard live in the rotting logs? Because the wood absorbs heat from the sun and provides morning warmth that these cold-blooded creatures need to get going. Okay. And also the snakes. Yes, the snakes love to hide in the rotted logs too. Look at this picture. Yes. Did you see that? All right. Yeah. Well, gladly glean insects from the crack and furrows and hide from predators underneath the logs. Protective cover. So they hide in the logs to protect or to hide the other from the other predators. That's how the snakes love to hide in the logs. Did you understand? All right. Centipede. Okay, do you know this one? Have you familiar with this one? Okay. Yes, that is centipede. In nature, one of the centipede's favorite hiding spots is under rotting logs. When centipedes move inside, they move to areas of a home that are damp, dark, and helps them to meet their moisture needs. Yeah, that's why they love to hide in the logs. Did you understand? Okay. And other insects too. So here are the example of the other insects that hiding and living in the logs. Yes, and also the termite ant. They're hiding and they're living. They build their nest or their shelter in the logs too. And also this one, the hill chromite. Okay, especially this one. Yes, it's a larva, or we call it a young insects. Yes, they love to hide in the rotted logs because they eat rotted logs or rotted wood. Yes, and this one, the wood lice. As you can see, there's a lot of them. So if you find some rotted logs in your home, just try to break it and then you can find them inside the rotted logs, especially if the wet rotted logs. Yes. All right. And also, the other animals live under the rocks like high rocks. High rocks is also called rock rabbit or daisy. Yes, it's a small furry mammal. It looks like a rabbit with rounded ears and no tail. So just look at the picture. Yeah, it's look like a rabbit. But it lives in the rocks. And the millipede. Yeah, millipedes are characterized by having two pairs of jointed legs on most body segments. As you can see, look at the picture. Yes, it has a lot of legs in its whole body. Okay, and also the suricata, the mercat. Suricata or suricate is a small mongoose found in southern Africa. They love to hide or to live in the rocks too. And also the dwarf mongoose. Okay, and this one, the rats, and also the fox. Okay, so that is the life of the animals that lives in the rotted logs or under rocks. Did you understand? All right. And I hope you learn a lot of our topic. Now, let's move to the activity. Activity. Okay, just write your name first, follow the section, the level, and the number. Now, the direction. Find and circle the 7 rotted logs. And under rocks animal, names. The words may be horizontally, vertically, or diagonally placed, and they may even backwards. So, find these words inside the box. Just circle it and then good luck. Bye bye.